Hi friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin. Excited that you're here with me today. I have my Stampin' Blends labels that I have updated. Now I've got two options. I have this full complete updated version that's got colors way back. Let's see, we've got sorbet, but I think we've got, polished pink. So it's got the ones that are about to retire and some of the other ones that are retiring. And then we got all the new core colors and all the new in colors. So I wanted to show you really quick how to put these on your blends. And I want to give you a couple of tips and tricks. The other thing is, if you've already purchased this for $7.95, my previous one, and you just need an update, so you just need the new in colors and the new core colors, I've got one for sale for 99 cents. There's a link below the video for both of these, so if you need either one, you can pick it up, but you don't need to buy both, okay? You can buy one or the other. So if you buy the full pack, the full set is $7.95. It is a digital download, okay? So I really want to make that clear. It says it all over my site, but I just want to double check and make sure you know it is not, I'm not going to mail you anything. You have to digitally download it. So I'm going to tell you my tips. In order to print it, I printed it on a piece of label paper. Okay, so you can buy full sheets of label paper on Amazon. I'll link to that below the video, and you can use it for other things. It's not like you can only use it for this, but you just get a pack of that, and then you've got it in your craft room, and you can use it for other stuff. So I printed it on label paper, and then I have a 3/8 inch circle punch. Now you can get one of these on Amazon. I also linked it below the video. This is an old Stampin' Up! One, and I'm just gonna go in here, and I'm going to cut away these pieces. Okay. And we're going to look for, let's see, what colors do we have here? I've got the new blueberry bushel. Blueberries here. So I'm just going to take my punch, and I'm going to go ahead and punch this out. Blueberry light, blueberry dark. Now stick around with me because I've got to show you a trick at the end that you're not going to want to miss. All right, so we take these out. We're going to look for dark, and this is the light. Now what I like to do is I like to put my sticker on the brush tip end, because generally speaking, the brush tip end is the one I use the most. So here is the blueberry light. And then or dark, excuse me. And then you just got to kind of crinkle up the edge to peel your label off. So there's my sticker, and it fits perfectly on the tip of your blends marker. Can you guys see that? Oh, come on, camera, focus for me. Focus. It's not going to focus. Okay. Anyway, the label's there, so it says blueberry D, so that means it's dark. Now, let's say this marker goes dry and you run out. Rather than taking your sticker off or having to punch another sticker, that's my dog in the background. Skeeter, stop it. Just take your lid off of your blueberry bushel and put it on your new marker. Done. So you only have to print these one time and put them on one time and just move them to the new markers. Simple, simple, simple. So that's my Stampin' Blends labels. They are all the colors for $7.95. Link below the video. If you just need the new colors and the in colors, 99 cents. And I will link to a 3/8 inch punch below, and I will also link to the label sheets below. So I hope that helps. I hope that you purchase these. I really appreciate your orders. It's very supportive of my business, and it doesn't matter where you live, you can purchase these from me because it's a PDF. So if you're in the UK or Australia or wherever, you can purchase these from me. And I appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.